It's here. I feel like it's been such a long time since we've done an unboxing, so I'm gonna show you guys the sneakers that I just got. I am not a super duper crazy sneakerhead girl, but I do like a few kicks, so I added a few to my collection. These are the ASICS Gel Kayano for teens. I got them in this like really cool green color because I thought it would be a good neutral. I do have another pair of green sneakers, but I feel like these are more like muted, they're more neutral, and I thought that they would be a little bit easier to style. So they look really good. I like the colors. I don't know if I'm in love with these. Next, I got a pair of Salomon. These are the XT Slate Advanced. So let's take a look at these. I don't remember which were which. Oh, so these are actually the navy, and for whatever reason, though I'm not a navy girl, I feel like these looked so cool online. They looked really like advanced. The dark blue with like this light blue just really like cuts through, and it reminds me of something that's very like techie, and I was just like, I have to have these. I have to try these. I got a pair of white New Balance because I don't know, maybe I wanted to dad it up. I may have been in a mood at the time, but I feel like these are pretty cool. I did have a pair of ASICS gels that were like white like this, but they had like navy on the bottom, navy accents, and like I said, I'm not a huge navy girl, so I wanted to go for something that was more neutral, easier to style. I kind of wanted something that wasn't going to compete for star of the show in some of my outfits, so I thought these were like a really good option, and I feel like they could be cute. I'm gonna give them a try because first look I didn't love them, but we'll see. So the past couple of months I have solidified myself as a Salomon girl. These are the XT6 GTX. Now these I had to have these because they're so cute. Like, this colorway is like so my vibe. I feel like I really love like a khaki, a neutral, a brown, and a black. I feel like you can wear these with so many things, and they are of course like meant for being outside, so it's good for when I do have hikes, when I am outside, when I am walking a lot. So I'm really excited for these because I feel like even though they're neutral, I feel like they just bring something different to my closet. And last but not least, I have the Salomon XT4. These are the OGs. Now, these will kind of round out my collection because I have a black pair, a red pair, I just got a brown pair, and now I have white. I feel like that rounds out everything for me. These are just so perfect to add to my collection. I feel like they're very comfortable. The color is not too white, so unlike the New Balance that I got, these I feel like are just a more neutral because they have like a neutral midsole, they're white on top, and then they have colors throughout. So I'm really excited about these. I feel like I will get a lot of wear out of these. These past couple months I have been wearing my Salomons consistently just as like a comfort shoe, like something that I can throw on with any outfit. So I think that these will be really great and like really well worn in my closet. That is all for today. I'm Miss Super. I do lots of fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content. Follow me and comment down below which ones are your favorite. Bye.